Focus on football. Pete Carroll is having great success, right? Up in Seattle. You know, Pete Carroll's whole philosophy about developing a football team is not developing talent per se to be the best player out there. He's trying to help his guys be the best people they can be. Okay? When you're developing yourself as the best person you can be, then you can focus on the other things that you want to try and get.
I'm sideline coach in my high school, and I compete, and I just got mixed.
Jalen McKenzie from Clay Valley Charter High School.
The world is Gotmix.net, man. This young man right here, man. A lot of people don't know your story, man. Why you bleed the red and black, man. What is it about MacArthur that really draws you to that school? Is it the coaches? What is it, man, that does it?
It's just a tradition that we got, like working hard. I'm more Army based, so you just gotta keep persevering and keep fighting all the time and to never give up.
Ben Moss.
Hey, Big Ben, man. What's your story, man? Who are you, man? How'd you get here today?
Just always worked hard.
I'm Langston Frederick. I got clear sprains. I play corner and safety.
And what about you?
My name is Kendrick Holmes. I'm in 11th grade. I play cornerback and wide receiver.
This is Gotmix.net, it's Mind of an Athlete. Man, this young man, for those that might not know, what's your story, man, and what's it all about?
Surprises people that I didn't play any junior football or anything, and freshman year was my first year of football, and was brought up sophomore year I was on the varsity, so me, it was a real impact on my life because now I'm a football player. It's most likely, hopefully, going to be the rest of my life, or it's going to be a job for me.
Nice defense, let's go! Long time ago. Push us
Kendrick Holmes, and I just got mixed.
What about you, sir? State your name for the camera.
Langston Frederick. I just got mixed.
My name is Kalen Humphrey, class of 2016, wide receiver, Long Beach Valley High School. Just got mixed, right?
And with Florida's finest. Right now, man.